Big thank you to crypto exchange BITUNIX for sponsoring the video. Get your XRP by using the link in the description below. We have no KYC and no VPN. We have uncomfortable news from Jay Claver, and that is when we see some major price action come for XRP. I've got some uncomfortable news for you. A lot of exchanges won't have the liquidity to let you exit at market value. And with the supply shock, institutional buyers dominate OTC, and retail will get stuck fighting for exposure through ETFs and DATs, right? So we do have Jay Claver calling for essentially a liquidity shortage during the all-time high for XRP, and there won't be enough liquidity for everyone to cash out at the top, which is true, right? Every time we see a parabolic run happening for cryptos, it is followed by a 70% crash after the bubble officially pops, right? So guys, make sure to take profits. And just what we saw during the flash crash, right? A lot of centralized exchanges went down. People couldn't buy or sell. And so, guys, it is important, as we say, to use both a centralized and decentralized exchange, right? If the centralized exchange goes down, you can continue trading on a decentralized exchange, such as Hyperliquid. We have Hyperliquid listing XRP, right? So if this event happens, we see XRP going parabolic, exchange is shutting down, not letting people cash out, then cash out using a decentralized exchange. And everyone wants to believe their XRP bag is going to make them rich overnight while they do nothing differently. Well, I'm here to tell you that without custody, tax strategy, and wealth infrastructure before the liquidity event, you'll fumble generational wealth, right? So once we see the DeFi space becoming as big as the TradFi space, eventually we will see these centralized exchanges not shutting down during a black swan event or during any significant events, and trading will be more robust and safer as well, right? We had the collision of TradFi and DeFi. Now, we also have just in, White House advisor Hassett says government shutdown likely to end sometime this week, which means that we could see the XRP ETFs getting approved possibly this week or next week. And any day in a couple of next weeks, we could see Ripple making a huge announcement of acquiring their banking license being approved. And guys, we could also see at this exact same time the XRP ETFs also getting approved as well, sending XRP to double digits. So we do have a lot of catalysts increasing the price of XRP. And we also have this delta from the big short as well. This chart going parabolic, right? Is this the chart of XRP? Will we see XRP pumping up from here on out with this delta? And guys, right now we do have XRP moving up higher, trading at $2.48. We can see in the past 3 days, XRP has been moving up, and based on the indicators, right now XRP is primed for a reversal. And we also have Bitcoin and cryptos moving up as well, which are all great signs. Now, we do have a timeline of the possible XRP crypto bull run. We have October down, then in November we could see cryptos moving up, December consolidation, January up, February down, March market top, and then April we could see the everything bubble popping, right? The everything crash and the bear market coming in, right? We are expecting this to happen sometime in 2026 based on the 100-year money cycle. So could we see this sort of move coming in for Ethereum, XRP, cryptos as a whole? Again, guys, at the end, cryptos losing most of their value except for possibly XRP, as by then we could see XRP being implemented into the new financial system and XRP becoming the world reserve currency, and something that we've been waiting for a long time as well, including David Schwartz, is Halloween happening on the 31st on a Friday, right? David Schwartz has been waiting for Halloween to happen on a Friday for a very long time, for a decade plus. And we have from David, 1031, it's Halloween. Why does it feel like Christmas? We have David, Santa Claus short. So guys, can we see XRP pumping during Halloween or XRP beginning its bull run on Halloween? And lastly, we have just in, President Trump says China may pay a 155% tariff if there is no trade deal by November 1st, right? So guys, we could see a lot of volatility in the weeks to come. Definitely be prepared. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.